Gloria Romero, born December 16, 1933, Gloria and Borrego Gala, was an American-born Filipino actress. Regarded as the queen of Philippine cinema, she has appeared in more than 300 film and television productions throughout her career that spans 7 decades. She was Philippines' highest-paid movie star of the 1950s and became the biggest box office draw of the period. Romero began appearing as a background actor at the age of 16. She made her feature film debut with a secondary role in Madame X in 1952 and won the Fama's Award for Best Actress for her performance as a tobacco-smoking maiden in Dalagang Ilocana in 1954. She attained stardom with leading roles in romantic comedy, remakes of pre-war musical films, and adaptations of comic strips, such as Mon Gita, Kofradia, Kurtapia, Sino Ang May Sala, Hong Kong Holiday, Haruparong Bukid, Alalang Banal, Ikoy Engi Aking Bahay, and Ijinuit Engi Tadana. She received newfound attention and success in the 2000s for her roles in Tanging Yaman in 2000, Bahay and Ilola, Magnifico, Beautiful Life, and Fuchsia, including Tarima and Rainbow's Sunset, her last film appearance. Romero was posthumously conferred with the Presidential Medal of Merit in 2025 and has been the recipient of Lifetime Achievement Award from government agencies and major award-giving bodies, including the Luna Awards in 2002, FAMAS, Gawad Urian both in 2004, the Movie and Television Review and Classification Board MT RCB in 2009, and Film Development Council of the Philippines in 2024. The National Commission for Culture and the Arts also honored her with the Pamas Jintong Bai in 2005 for her contributions to the preservation and development of Philippine arts and culture, while the Philippine Postal Corporation honored Romero with a commemorative stamp in 2024, dedicating her life and talent to the Filipino people. On September 24, 1960, Romero married fellow Sampaguita Pictures actor Juancho Gutierrez at the Santuario de San Antonio in Forbes Park, Makati. Romero's white gown was designed by national artist for fashion Ramon Valero. The entourage included the biggest stars of Sampaguita Pictures. The bridesmaids were Daisy Romualdez, Barbara Perez, Susan Rosas, and Amelia Fuentes. The wedding was covered by all the major newspapers and magazines, and radio's headlined Wedding of the Year. The couple had one daughter, Meritus Gutierrez, who tried acting briefly and became a chef. Romero had a grandson, Chris Gutierrez, a former artist of Star Magic. The couple separated after 12 years of marriage in 1972, and Gloria did not marry again. In 2000, Juancho suffered a diabetic stroke that left him paralyzed and reunited him with his wife Gloria, who took care of him until Juancho's death in October 2, 2005. Romero died on January 25, 2025 in Quezon City at the age of 91. She was rushed from her residence in New Manila, Quezon City, to the nearby St. Luke's Medical Center by her daughter Meritus Gutierrez on December 31, 2024, after Romero refused to eat. After a 16-day hospitalization, she was discharged and monitored by a team of medical staff attending to her 24 hours. On January 22, 2025, her blood pressure dropped until her death at her home 3 days later. Her wake was held at the Arlington Memorial Chapel in Quezon City. Her remains were cremated on January 29, 2025, and were placed in a columbarium next to her parents Pedro Gala and Mary Borrego Gala at MT Carmel Shrine in Quezon City. Welcome to the amazing world of 1000 Vlogs.